Well, I think when you look at what are the pieces that will make me as healthy as I can be. So to me, adding CBD is really a beneficial piece. I mean, vitamins and minerals, we all sort of know, yes, we do that. A lot has to do with what we eat and when we eat, and are we getting good probiotics. I mean, there's a lot of pieces to this. But I think CBD, because it potentially prevents so many problems, that adding that in a very small amount, you don't need a lot. You know, 4, 5, 6 milligrams a day can be enough as a preventative to really help. So you can get topical products with this, creams, lotions, there's shampoos, conditioners, there's all kinds of applications that, since you absorb it transdermally, you're going to get small amounts through that. And we don't really get much of that in our normal diet. So when you look at, okay, it's, you know, it's neuroprotective, it's anti-inflammatory, it modulates your immune system, it protects your gut, it protects your heart muscles, it increases cell energy, it helps you recover after exercise. So for athletes, it can be a big deal because it can increase your performance and your body's capability to perform.